The partition of India into the two dominions of India and Pakistan took place on the eve of independence. Millions of people who lived in the regions of the Northwest Frontier Province, West Punjab, Sindh, Baluchistan and East Bengal migrated to India in an atmosphere of violence and communal riots. After independence, India faced the problem of integrating the princely states. The credit for integrating 560 princely states into the Union of India largely goes to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. For this achievement, he was popularly called the Iron Man of India. The next hurdle was the liberation of French and Portuguese territories. These were then declared as Union territories to preserve their distinct culture and heritage. The French government withdrew from its territories, while the army had to expel the Portuguese from Goa. A Constituent Assembly was set up to draft the Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was appointed chairman of the drafting committee. On 26 November 1949, the Constitution of India was adopted. India became a sovereign, democratic republic on 26 January 1950. British India had been divided into provinces. After independence, the government decided to reorganize the country into states and certain territories which would be directly ruled by the central government. India made great efforts to improve its agriculture and industries. A lot of agricultural land which produced raw materials had gone to Pakistan. To increase agricultural production and generate power, dams were built. Farmers were taught modern agricultural techniques and supplied with seeds and fertilizers. Banks gave loans at special rates to poor farmers. The government expanded heavy industries and tapped the mineral wealth from states like Gujarat and Assam. Scientific research was conducted through institutions like the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and the Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. Other premier institutions which were set up included the IITs, IIMs, and the Indian Statistical Institute. India has also developed nuclear power for non-military uses. One of the greatest success stories of India has been its economic transformation. Through the policy of liberalization, the economy has grown rapidly and the growth rate has been hailed all over the world. The growth of the information technology, IT industry, has contributed to the development of cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Pune. Foreign firms have invested billions in these areas. India's international relations after independence were based on the belief that people of all races, religions and countries are equal. It has opposed discriminatory policies in other countries, such as apartheid in South Africa. India has also supported the resolution of international conflicts through peaceful means. Some of the major milestones in India's foreign policy post-independence are Panchsheel, or Five Principles of Foreign Policy formulated by Nehru, the Bandung Conference, the Non-Aligned Movement, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, India and the United Nations. India has 7 neighboring countries: Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, Pakistan, China, Sri Lanka. India has always tried to maintain friendly relations with them. Even after so many decades after independence, India faces several challenges like communalism, overpopulation, poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, casteism, and linguism.